We are going to be completing a job hazard analysis, or JHA. First, log on to Field Tools. Then touch Current Job. Touch Submit Forms, and then touch JHA. Field Tools knows your current job, so it's automatically filled in for us. Today's date is automatically filled in for us as well. Who was the supervisor on site? Let's search for Mike. Touch on his name. Now, down to Work to be performed today. You can use the microphone icon on your device's keyboard and speak in the details. Raising south wall and general cleanup. Let's go to our checklist. What are the risk hazards today? We'll mark those off. On to measures to prevent injury. And now go through the rest of our safety checklist. Let's see who's on site today. Field Tools knows all of our crews and crew leaders that are on site. This is through our asset allocation feature. This JHA was prepared by search for Tim, touch on his name, then hit Commit and Send. To review the report, touch the main menu, go to Search, touch the JHA form that was just submitted, and view the report. Simple as that.